Hey, guess what, everybody? You're famous. You're going to be on YouTube once again.
Are you videoing me?
Maybe I am, maybe I ain't.
On a rainy day, really? When you're thundering, right?
Shut up, thing. Okay, thank you. Okay, it seems to be lightning out here and raining. Shall lightning strike me on a bus, or shall I? Oh, hi, bye. You're on YouTube. You're on YouTube, by the way. Now you're on YouTube. Yeah, you're both on
Hey,
YouTube.
what's your video called?
I haven't decided. Maybe it's gonna be called "Shall Lightning Strike Me on a Bus" or "Shall Lightning What?" I don't know, but you're on YouTube.
No, he got checked out.
Yeah, well, it's too late for
I
that.
like to be on YouTube. Okay.
She's weird. Oh crap, she's right here.
I did not touch your armpit.
And that's all.
I already got the freaking dude. If Kobe, if he ends up finding out that I'm in touching somebody else's boy's private parts, oh
Whoa.
my word.
Yeah, that was okay. Lightning just struck me while I'm on the bus.
Well, anyways,
You've been done the strike. What?
Makeup. We've only been dating for 2 weeks and 2 days. This is our second day of our third.
Wow, I totally want to hear about that. Hey, you just almost made me pause it. Hey. Okay. Is this a possible reason? Oh crap. Okay, it's too wobbly like that. Oh yeah, and I'm a bus driver on YouTube. Okay, it's really foggy now. Okay. I want to see if this lightning will strike again. I know y'all just want to see that, don't y'all? Yeah. I'll pause it until I think it's a good time. Wait, is it like sleeting? Okay, no, it's not sleeting. Anyway, I don't think so. It looks like it's snowing literally, but I know it couldn't be. I want to see it. Yeah, but I'm not a moron. Some people, they're telling me to shut up. I'm going to throw this freaking camera in their face. I'm waiting for some lightning, in case you're wondering. You can just enjoy this. Yeah, I'm probably going to get like no views or no subscribers and no likes and no nothing. So I'm probably doing this for no point. Last one I made only got 3 views. That's just stupid. It's just so stupid. It's just the stupidest thing I've ever had in my life. Yeah, it's stupid. It's so stupid. I just don't know what to do about it. It's so stupid. Oh, stupid. Stupid. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm just videoing.
Hey, penciling on YouTube.
Oh, what the crap? That freaking phone got stuck to the... Okay, you're on YouTube.
Hi, my name's Selena.
Cool.
Okay. 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 Little children, do not try this at home.
I've already tried that like a million times.
Okay, I'm done. Bye.
Okay. You're going to be on YouTube. Yeah, you're of it. Do something interesting. That's not interesting.
I don't know. You gotta tell me.
Hey, don't do that to the camera.
If you do it one more time, I'm gonna pop you in the mouth.
Yeah, well, don't do that. This is going to be on YouTube, and everybody's going to get mad at you.
I'm gonna pop her in the mouth.
Yeah.
You wanna see?
Sure.
Let's go. Okay, bye.
Okay. Like the top of that tower. Right, well, you can't. Okay, there's the tower. Top of their tower. For this annoying kid that just won't stop looking at everything. YouTube, you are my friend. Wait, okay, that's just creepy.
We have been dating for 2
Okay, I think it's good.